Hey guys, you may or may not know this past November 10th marked the 46th anniversary of the sinking of the Edmund Fitzgerald. The Edmund Fitzgerald sank on November 10th, 1975. Now I wanted to do a tribute. I've done the history of the Edmund Fitzgerald, and in the credits I have the crew members that I honored, but I wanted to honor them a little more personal on their level. Gordon Lightfoot wrote a song specifically honoring those that perished on the Edmund Fitzgerald. It's called The Wreck of the Edmund Fitzgerald. Sadly, every time I even tried, the copyright blocked, so I couldn't play the song. Now that song is a big thing. It's part of the whole tribute process was I wanted that song. So what I ended up having to do was I had to do the song myself. I don't think the copyright is going to be a problem because my version is going to be horrible. But what I want to do is I want to honor them with that song. And while I perform the song, the bell is going to chime. So as the song goes along, there's going to be a bell chiming, and it's going to show that particular crew member. And I'm going to do that for all 29. What I decided to do too is what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the words on the bottom so you can sing along with the screen, and I'll put the chords on top in case you want to play along. But that way there, when you watch the video, you can actually follow along with the song. So I have the 12 string. This is the Fender 12 string, my Fender 12 string. Her name is Christine. I'm going to use it because Gordon Lightfoot plays the 12 string. Especially for this song. And the capo is on the second fret. So please be kind. I'm doing it from memory with no music or no words in front of me. And it's a long song, so I want to do them justice. Legend lives on from the ship on down to the big lake they call Michigan. The lake, it is said, never gives up her dead when the skies in November turn blue. The load of iron ore, 26,000 tons more, and the Edmund Fitzgerald wailing. Big shipping was a booming tune when the gales in November came early. The ship was a pride of the American side, coming back from somewhere in Wisconsin. As big freighters go, it was bigger than most, with a really good captain no season, including sometimes with a couple of steel firms when they left for Cleveland. Later that night when the ship's bell rang, would be the north wind and feeling. The wind and the wire made a tattletale sound, and the wind broke over the rail. Every man knew, as the captain did too, was a witch of November come stealing. Dawn came late and the breakfast had to wait, and the wheels of November came slashing. The afternoon came, it was freezing rain, in the face of a hurricane west wind. 7 p.m. a main hatchway gave in. He said, fellas, it's been good to know ya. Captain Warden had water coming in, and the day shift the crew was in terror. Later that night, when his lights went out of sight, came the wreck of the Edmund Fitzgerald. Does anyone know where the railroad car goes when the waves turn the minutes to hours? Searchers all say they'd have made Whitefish Bay if they put 15 more miles behind her. Might have slid up or they might have capsized. They may have gone deep into the water. But all that remains is the faces of the names of the wives and the sons and the daughters. Lake Syracuse, the various names in the rooms of the Rice Water Mansion. Michigan seems like a young man's dream. The islands and bays are for sportsmen. Farther below Lake Ontario, Lakes Inwood, Lake Erie, and Sanger. The iron boats go as the mariners all know. The gales in November remember. Musty old hall in Detroit, Cape Freight, and the Maritime Sailors Cathedral. Church bell chimed and it rang 29 times for each man on the Edmund Fitzgerald. Legend lives on from a ship along down of the big lake they call Michigan. Lake is said never gives up her dead when the skies are no